7th grade. Okay, so today we are going to continue reviewing order of operations, but today we're going to add in integers, so positive and negative numbers into our order of operations. So first, let's review operations with signed numbers. So let's start with adding. If we are adding and the signs are the same, so if they're both positive or they're both negative, then you will add them together and they will keep the sign that they already have, okay? If the signs are different, you will subtract the absolute values of the numbers and then take the sign of the number with the largest absolute value. So we'll look at that in just a moment. Aunt Sally's cleaning, it's fine. Then if we are subtracting, the easiest way to subtract with integers is we are going to actually change this subtraction to a plus sign and then make that second number a negative. So we're really just going to make it into an addition problem, but we'll still have a negative number there, okay? So we'll practice with that in a moment as well. Okay, multiplying and dividing is much easier. When you're multiplying or dividing, if the signs are the same, then your product or quotient is going to be positive. If the signs are different, then the product or quotient is going to be negative, okay? Let's do a practice problem, okay? So what order do we use to work these problems out? We've been talking about this now. Oops. Thank you. Y'all, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. I can't. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, so parentheses, that's what we would solve first, remember? Okay, so this time we are subtracting a larger number from a smaller number, right? So, like we talked about earlier, I'm going to make this a plus sign. Whoops. Sorry, my marker's going out. I'm going to make this a plus sign, and I'm going to make this second number a negative now. So now I am adding. I'm going to use my rules for addition. They have different signs, so I'm going to subtract and take the sign of the larger number. So 20 minus 4 is going to be 16, and the 20 is larger. The absolute value of 20 is larger than 4. And so I'm going to take the sign of the 20, which is a negative. Okay, then I'm going to rewrite my entire problem. Okay. Now what comes next? So we've got, we did the parentheses. Okay, this is just separating that negative sign. Okay, so we don't have any exponents in this problem. We have no multiplication or division. So now I am going to work from left to right. Okay, and and I'm going to do the addition and subtraction. So in this problem, we have addition before we have subtraction. So we're going to start over here. So 12 plus negative 16. 12 plus negative 16 is, these two have a different signs. So we're going to subtract. 16 minus 12 is 4. And the sign of the larger number would be this 16, so it's going to be a negative 4 minus negative 6, okay? Okay, anytime you see a minus and a negative right next to each other, I can make that plus positive, okay? Y'all remember that rule? Okay, so we've got negative 4 plus positive 6. We are adding again, we have different signs, so we are going to subtract the absolute values, take the sign of the larger absolute value. So 6 minus 4 is 2, and the 6 has a larger absolute value, so it is going to be a positive 2. Good? Y'all remember, it's all coming back to us now? Awesome. I would like for you guys to do the quizzes link that is in the email that we sent to your parents. Y'all have an awesome day.